how to fix your Bluetooth not working on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to search for your device manager. So simply search for device manager and open it up. After you open up your device manager, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to search for your Bluetooth. So there you'll find your Bluetooth, expand on it, and you'll see your Bluetooth right here. You can right click on it, and if you see an enable device option, simply enable your device. And if you don't have the enable device option, you can just double click on it to open up your Bluetooth's adapter properties. Head over to driver and then simply disable the driver once and then re-enable it again. After doing that, your problem should get fixed. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.